Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Llanera on the market, the Yesland 4-pack oval cheesecake pan. Whether you're a home baker or a professional, this set of pans is designed to elevate your baking game, especially if you love making cheesecakes, breads, or even casseroles. First off, these pans come in a convenient pack of 4, each measuring 9 inches in length, 4.5 inches in width, and 2.25 inches in height. The oval shape is perfect for crafting beautiful Japanese-style cheesecakes or traditional loaf breads, giving your creations a unique and elegant presentation. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, these pans offer exceptional durability and fast, even heating. This means your cakes and breads bake uniformly with a lovely golden brown finish every time. The aluminum construction also ensures that no harmful substances are released even at high temperatures, making it a safe choice for your kitchen. One standout feature is the non-stick coating. This makes it incredibly easy to release your baked goods without worrying about them breaking apart or sticking to the pan. Cleaning is just as simple. A gentle hand wash with a soapy sponge is all it takes to keep these pans in great condition. Just be sure to avoid sharp utensils that might damage the coating. Versatility is another highlight. These pans are oven-safe, microwave-safe, and even suitable for use in the refrigerator and on the stovetop with a pot. You can use them for a wide variety of recipes: chiffon cakes, fruit cakes, cheesecakes, tiramisu, soufflés, and even savory dishes like casseroles or shaped bread rolls. Their deep walls allow you to bake generously sized portions perfect for family meals or special gatherings. Because they heat quickly and evenly, cooking times are reduced while locking in the nutrients and flavors of your food. The pans have a sturdy feel and won't warp or bend under heat, providing a reliable bake every time. Whether you're preparing an afternoon tea treat, a banquet dessert, or a festive celebration dish, these pans are a valuable assistant in your kitchen. The silver finish gives them a sleek look, and their oval shape stands out from the usual rectangular loaf pans. In summary, the Yesland 4-pack oval cheesecake pan set is a fantastic choice if you want durable, versatile, and easy-to-clean bakeware that delivers professional results at home. They combine high-quality material, thoughtful design, and multi-purpose use all in one package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Happy baking!